Cleaning of cavity through steam. Cleaning of cavity is very necessary after every use to remove the food particles which stick to the cavity walls during cooking. These food particles will give smell after some time and also result in delay in cooking. Your microwave oven has the pre-programmed logic for cleaning, or you can do manually also. Here we will show you the manual process of steam cleaning. Please read your owner manual for auto option of steam clean and follow the instruction and process. To clean a dirty cavity manually, take a microwave oven safe bowl, add water and lemon juice in it. Open the door and place the bowl on glass tray inside the cavity. Close the door, select 10-minute time and press start button. After beep sound, open the door and take out the bowl. Now take a soft damp cloth and softly clean the cavity from all sides to remove dirt or food particles. Remove glass tray and ring and clean the cavity. Cleaning is completed.